Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan that is certified pre-owned. It is stock number CP15638T. This is featured in graphite pearl coat, exterior color. It's got a very pretty sparkle to the vehicle. Again, this is a certified pre-owned. This is a 3.6 liter V6 mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This has the leather with the suede inserts. These all have the power sliding doors on all doors. This also has the stow and go seating, so all the 4 captain's chairs and rear bench will flat into the floor. Makes it nice in case you have a home project or you want to bring home a TV or a small couch or something. These are also the SXT Sport model, which gives you also flex fuel. Very nice, very pretty vehicles. Again, this is certified pre-owned, which means you get a warranty up to 100,000 miles on this vehicle. You also get free trial of XM radio for the next 3 months. Roadside assistance. This model also has the remote start, remote keyless entry with remote start. So you can start this vehicle from 150, 200 feet away. These also have the power seat, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, the Bluetooth for the phone, so you can pair your compatible smartphone with the audio system, make and receive phone calls, listen to any kind of music. This one has the larger touchscreen radio, which will also give you the rear backup camera also. Nice people movers. Fun if you got to take a trip with the kids, or you just have to travel, or you just need an everyday van to move from. Again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan certified pre-owned, stock number CP15638T. This is in graphite pearl coat, exterior color. If you have any questions on this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the internet or on our lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.